Welcome to the Exam Prep portal. First, to get access to the Exam Prep, open up your favorite web browser and search for CBT Exam Prep.netifly.app. It's the one I'm showing you on the screen right now. And once you do that, go ahead and hit the return key so you can have access to the website. Now, a quick disclaimer, this is not in any way affiliated with NDPHC or the examiner. It's just a simple tool for staff to practice and learn the exam format. Again, this is not how the final exam would look like, so you're free to use this as test and sample material. You can also read this disclaimer right here. So the first thing you're going to notice is that the app has several sections. First, you have to select your department first, or you can't actually start any practice exam. But before you begin the exam itself, you can have access to current affairs, facts on the Nigerian energy sector, and you can also learn about the value chain, basically how the gas turbine to the customer goes and billing in power plants. Next, you can see that we have an explanation about how each section works. So the first section is on Nigerian current affairs, general intelligence and emotional quotient. The second section, which is section B, is about industry and company. It tells you about the Nigerian electricity supply industry, NERC, TCN, NBET, NISO, basically our Nigerian energy sector. And section C gives you information about realistic job-related questions based on each department. Now, the current affairs is locked from 2021 to 2026. In reality, you need a much more broader range. And finally, if you do enjoy the app, you can set a little token to this account. All right, let's go back up and let's see how to do this. For the exam's difficulty, we have easy, mixed, and hard. I recommend putting it on hard so you can actually have a very nice, good simulation. It has 30 questions, you have 1 hour, and includes 4 sections. You need to pass above 50% because 50 is the pass mark. All right, let's open up this briefing page. If I click on this, it just tells us what to revise before we begin. This page gives us access to information about NDPHC, the mandate and structure, all down to the MD. It also tells us about the 5 directories, and below you can find access to those directories. Again, we have access to some global affairs, some current news about the World Cup, Ebola outbreak. If you actually go through this, you can click this live refresh headlines. This will need access to your internet. If you do not have the internet access, this page is going to remain static. It says fetching today's headlines. And there you have it. So we have these news articles and they're actually fresh news. You can use this to basically check the current news updates. Again, you can use an external source, not just this one. Now, these are also notable events in the local and global scene. It tells us about the energy sector and some basic information. Now, this section is about the names of leadership of NDPHC. There's also a new directive, and we have 2 new EDs, and these are their new names. Next, that's our president. This is the vice president, Minister of Power, and all other EDs that are linked to NDPHC. Now, in case you want to learn some basic mathematics, things about tech math, and math that's generally used in exams like that, these 4 links are actually going to warm up or brush up your memory. Next, we also have the most current affairs practice, and this is from currentaffairs.ng. If I open another tab, or I simply click on this tab, it's going to open currentaffairs.ng, which is an excellent site that gives you access to the latest current affairs in Nigeria. So let's get back to our promotion exam tool and just click on this Khan Academy link. It is a YouTube link about the website Khan Academy, and they are known for providing great and excellent tutorials. There you have it. All right, so on Khan Academy, you can search for things like basic math for interviews, and you can learn some of that basic math you can use. Also, like I mentioned, there are other sites here like Career Vids. Also on YouTube, they also provide free access to tutorials you could use to learn a few things about interviews, examinations, and preparations. All right, that's enough. Let's go ahead and run a new demo. Let's click on Start Exam Practice. Again, by the way, before I go away, I wanted to show you that you can have information about the context of NDPHC and look at the value chain. So to go back to a page, we'll click back. Let's go over here and click on the value chain. On the value chain, you get to see how gas is being converted to electricity, how it's being transmitted, how it's being sold to customers. Also, we have a brief description about how gas turbines generate electricity. And here you have information about the NDPHC's big 10 power plants. It also tells you what state they are, the gas turbines, capacity, and what kind of cycle the machine uses. Again, we get other information about other major power plants in Nigeria, which state they are, how many units they have, their capacity, and the type they also use. All right, now that I've showed you that, let's go ahead and start a practice exam. I'll click on this. You can select your department. So let's say you're in the procurement department, which is under the MD's department. Let's go ahead and click Start Practice Exam. And let's begin. You can notice you have a timer here at the top right, and you have 30 questions. Each timer is going to count down. Again, this might change when you actually get to the real examination because we don't really know how the examiner is going to set the questions. So again, let's just begin selecting. Let's say I select Tinubu. I can click flag for review so that when this is over, I want to check an explanation about this. So let's click next. And I'll just quickly click some answers and hopefully I'll show you why it's important to study and you don't just click anything, because if you randomly click every answer like me, you might not make it. So do take time and study. Now this question is asking us about the ED, strategy, and commercial. Who could that be? Let's try this name. So guessing is the wrongest way you can actually solve an examination problem, but we just want to get to the ending, so I'll show you how this works when you finish. And let's keep going and going and going. We're almost there. Almost there. Almost there. And it's taking a while, so I'll quickly skip this video till we get to the point where we're done, and just 2 more, and here we go. So I'll click go to submit. Now at the bottom here, you can see the questions you've answered, the ones we flagged for review, and we'll just click go to submit and click submit exam and click submit now. Now we have 27% because, like I mentioned, we didn't do this properly. Don't do this in the real exam. We just wanted to quickly show you how this looks like. And you can actually see the questions you got wrong, why you got them wrong with a brief explanation. And if there's any math question, it shows you how you can actually solve that problem. All right. So basically, that's how the CBT exam prep works. I do wish everyone super success in their examinations. Do hope for the best. And if you want to try taking the exam again, you can go back to the top and click try new exam, or change a department and try the questions for that department. Thank you very much for watching. If there's anything you need or think this app might need, don't hesitate to contact us in the comment section and we'll be sure to add it. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Have a good day.